Hi, welcome to this new video in which I'm going to show you how to build a microscale SU-152 Soviet heavy of self-propelled heavy artillery gun, and its design is by, let me check, I had to write it on a paper, Stefan Kuprianov. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing that one right, but I try. But he's made for me from Ukraine. He's designing some very cool microscale tanks and other stuff like this one, and you will see more of him coming up. But for now, he donated this design to my channel, and I'm happy to support his Instagram account, so go check the link in the description. But he has some really good micro scale designing skills, so check out his Instagram for more, and subscribe to this channel for more of his tutorials on more of his designs. So you really should check that out. But I also, of course, in a couple of seconds you will see all parts needed, then step-by-step tutorial on how to build this one. But I also wanted to show you guys today as a little shout out, a review, is this little nice plane, micro scale also. It's a US P-61 Black Widow, first real plane designed for night flights during World War II. The design of this one is from Ryan. Ryan is also known on the Instagram as Grasshopper. Oh, I totally forgot the last part of his name. Squadron. Grasshopper Squadron. Yes, check out the link in the description of this video. And this cool little plane, it's a cool design. He made and selling building instructions for it on omahabricks.com, also link in the description. I'm really enjoying this little one. Up to now I never played a game of micro brick battle with planes, and also I'm not sure if I'm really understanding the rules. I never tried, so I'm not sure. But Ryan did a great job on this one, and I often put this one on the table with my games of micro brick battle, because it's a nice scenario of how do you call it, scenery object. So standing on the table being a nice little extra addition to your tabletop. It's really cool. And also there are way more designs on the Omaha Bricks website for, it's called Battle in Bricks in this case, and but also the same scale as micro brick battle, and you can use these models for your game micro brick battle, but also, like I do, use them for scenery purposes. There is also a lot of buildings, houses, and I have some couple of here, but then if I'm going to reach for them, they probably will break, so I'm not doing that right now. But you should check them out. Go to omahabricks.com and check them out. As I said, I will show you the SU-152 or 152, how you prefer to call it. And next up are the building, the parts list, so you know all the parts needed for this build, and after that, step by step. If you like this video at the end, or like the tutorial, and you want to support me, give this video a like. Of course, subscribing would be the best. But if you build this one for yourself, please post it on Instagram, tag me, and let me show you, let me see your build, because I absolutely adore seeing what people build with my tutorial videos, and I'll of course repost it in my stories and credit you for it. I think it's enough said, probably way too much. Parts list coming up. Enjoy the build. Till next time.